6 things when the romantic part of a narcissist comes to an end. Hi everyone. Narcissists are very emotionally unbalanced people, known for being very manipulative and toxic. They rarely have you at heart. They always want everything to revolve around them, and that people should always do something for them. They usually like being attached to people who they can easily manipulate and who would not confront them or go against them. So to do these, they may put up some false appearance of themselves to get close to the person and display love bombing. But when they are tired of the relationship, even if nothing happened, they start to act in a way that suggests the end of the relationship with you and see that the life they have designed isn't working out with you. The following are some things a narcissist does when their romantic nature is over with someone. But before that, don't forget to smash that like button below, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when new content is released. 1. They would never apologize. When a narcissist is done with their romantic nature, they would never apologize. They no longer show any form of romance, and they wouldn't see anything wrong in it, because they don't see the use of doing so anymore. An apology is never really part of them, as they don't know what they did wrong, so don't expect an apology. 2. They always blame you. In the early stage of love, they may have put you on some high pedestal and show you all the forms of love to get you to like them. They see you as the most essential and blissful thing, the most loving and caring person they have ever met. But when all that has expired for them, they start pushing blame and making you feel bad. They would see you as being too needy, too happy. When you both have issues and the relationship is damaged, the narcissist makes you feel bad and tell you it's your fault. When you try to call them out for what they do, they tell you you're unappreciative of all the love and time they give you. Suddenly you have turned from the Aphrodite they made you earlier to the Eris or bitterness to them. They no longer want to see reasons with you or even give consideration anymore. 3. They always make you doubt yourself. They will always make you think that whatever you're doing is not the best decision. The narcissist will slowly take away your self-esteem by trying to change your words for you. They want to be in control and coerce you mostly. When you say something contending to them, they will say things like, "You don't know the stress I've been through. You are overreacting. You misinterpreted what I said." Then they put you off and show that all you have said is irrelevant, and you then start to doubt yourself if you are doing too much. 4. They become uncaring and uninterested. When you do certain things for them, they don't see the use, and it feels you wasted your time. You may try to do exciting things, play fun games, tell hilarious jokes, invite them to romantic places, buy romantic and lovely things for them, cook their favourite meals, but they put it off with a nod or word like, "Okay, you did these." They don't appreciate you or want you anymore, as they've already despised you and do not see your use again. 5. They'll transfer all of their stress and burden on you. They begin throwing tantrums around whenever they're sad or don't get what they want from you. They flare up if you ask how their day went, throw outbursts and say you always cause sadness to them, which contrasts how they earlier said they felt when they claimed to be romantics. Take out their anger on you and make you feel bad. So, what's your opinion about this? I hope you can gain more insight from this video. Don't hesitate to write your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.